Namaste everyone. Today I want to tell about the Chaturthi. There are two types of Chaturthi. One is Sankashta Chaturthi and one is Vinayaka Chaturthi. Among the Sankashta Chaturthi usually comes in the Krishna Paksha, means after the full moon, the fourth day of the full moon day, we get Sankashta Chaturthi. In that one Chaturthi is very special if it comes in the Tuesday. The Sankashta Chaturthi, if it comes in the Tuesday, it is called Angaraka Chaturthi because the Mangal Graha is also known as Angaraka. So that's why it is very special. It comes once in a year usually. Then Vinayaka Chaturthi. Vinayaka Chaturthi, everyone knows the August or September month coming Vinayaka Chaturthi. That is one special, but every month also Vinayaka Chaturthi will come. So there are 12 Vinayaka Chaturthis and 12 Sankashta Chaturthis. Vinayaka Chaturthi will come in the Shukla Paksha. Sankashta Chaturthi is coming in the Krishna Paksha. Thank you very much.